What do you know, Joe? And your Monday pick on this edition of Arbitrage, State of the Bands, starting right now. Good morning, traders, and welcome to your Arbitrage State of the Bands for Monday, April 1st, 2019. I'm Joshua Stark. Former Vice President Joe Biden on Sunday defended his interactions with women, saying he doesn't believe he ever acted inappropriately. But a Nevada politician's assertion that Biden's kiss on the back of her head made her feel uncomfortable prompted some Democrats to question whether the 76-year-old is too out of step with his own party to run a successful 2020 presidential campaign. The episode, recounted by Democrat Lucy Flores, highlighted an aspect of Biden's persona that he has been publicly known for years. The affectionate whispers, hugs, and shoulder squeezes he has long doled out to women.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Stocks finished broadly higher on Friday as Wall Street closed out the first quarter with the market's biggest gain in nearly a decade. The benchmark S&P 500 index is now up to 13.1% this year, a drastic turnaround for stocks after a jarring 14% sell-off in the first 3 months of 2018. The market's blockbuster quarter shared the spotlight with Lyft's much-anticipated trading debut on the NASDAQ stock exchange. The ride-hailing company shares finished at $78.29, or 8.7% above its offering price of $72 a share. Your Monday pick is one of the nation's largest operators of residential communities for senior adults, operating 129 senior living communities with an aggregate capacity of approximately 16,500 residents. Capital Senior Living has a stock symbol of CSU and opens at $3.99 a share.
Powers Not Included, the comic book podcast. A podcast about comics, games, toys, and everything geek. They talk about Deadpool, Deathstroke, Deathlock, The Night of the Living Dead, and The Walking Dead. Why the fixation on dead stuff? Find out when you subscribe to Powers Not Included on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and Podbean.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.